Hello guys, so today I went to the Clutter Hut today and I picked up a fan, which is an American fan branded by O2 Cool. Now, these are pretty rare in the UK, and if one does pop up for sale in the UK, it's very expensive. This one doesn't have its front grille, as you can tell. It's got this massive transformer. Which, I mean, look at that Goodman's logo. This thing, if this fails, and I've got a fan to destroy, I can throw this at it and it could shatter the blades. Well, hopefully no fans break. I'll only do it on a cheap fan, but that would be my weapon. And it would work, probably. Oh, hello, Paris. Yes. Yes. So, it spins alright. It's very dusty. It's like brown dust. It's disgusting. I'll have to clean this, but I'm going to give it a test now. Hopefully it works. I was about to say hopefully it doesn't, but yeah, hopefully it works. Is it off? Yeah, it's off. Should plug it in. Oh god, the transformer doesn't even, like, well, I'm going to have to just unplug that quickly. The transformer can't actually properly fit where my extension lead is, so I have to move it over there. So let's just do it. That's good. That is really quiet. That's amazingly quiet. Sorry, it shouldn't go any faster than that, but really, you don't need it to. It's blowing out a good breeze. And that's high speed. That's good. You know what? Once I get more trust, this may be an overnight use fan. That's really good. Yeah. I'll show you the informations. Chicago, Illinois, I think. O2 Cool, 10-inch indoor-outdoor fan. Model 11053 CE. Oh, it's got the CE mark. This must be a UK model then. Interesting. Anyway. Thanks for watching and bye.